Hi, welcome to Wisdom Wedgies. My name is Levi and we have a science experiment to conduct today. Our subject is climate, and in climate we have global circulation. Global circulation is caused by the sun. The big hot flaming ball of gas in the sky, it's hot. A hot and cold mixed, streaming around each other would make global circulation. So the question is, if we didn't have rotation, would we still have circulation? So for the experiment, we need to recreate the conditions. So we have a hot plate here and some cool ice packs here. I'm going to take gravity out of the equation. So I'm going to put both hot plate on this side and cold on the other. So now I'm going to place this. So first we're going to put the red in to see the water better. And then after this is all heated up, we're going to put the green in so you can see the circulation. I put the red dye in it so you can see it better. Now I'm going to put the green dye in it so you guys can see what's going on. And then we sped the video up to 2000%. Oh wow! So the reason why the green dye goes up when it touches the heat, because when air gets hot, it goes up. And when it gets cold, it goes down. So you get this nice circulation. Oh, it looks so cool. Yeah, it's just like dropping. Oh wow. I'm amazed. In the middle is like making a tornado. See that? I see a cyclone in the dye, in the middle, and in the top. It looks like a big storm. So clearly the answer is yes. Without rotation, we would still have circulation. Hey, thanks for watching Wisdom Wedgies with us. See you next time.
And make sure to subscribe and push the notification bell.
Hey, did you guys see the circulation?
Yeah, it was really cool.
It like went down, up, down.
Yeah,
I thought it was
Fibonacci.
Yeah.
Right.
So serious.
Wisdom Wedgies.